Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm Silo Boy Taylor DJ. So today we are back with another review. So special review from album Shaka Babes Odumo. So album iphuma ngomhla ka 24 October, but angifuna ukureview album yonke because I think sengitholile ingoma ezoba hit song. So there is a song ekhona lapha na i-produce I think amajita lawa setepeni ama elevators. So abena ukusebenzisana noMampintsha before. So I think it was good for them bevusa uBabes because uBabes ukhiphe album ibizwa uMabheshingo. So angifuni ukuthi ngize ngifocus kakhulu album uBabes because I think inezinye ingoma ezithe kuba weak, but I think this song iyona ezoba hit, iyona deserve music video. So ingoma ibizwa iJohn the Party and lapha kuma features khona noMampintsha lapha. So khona iverse kaShimora lapha, I think ilona ezothatha ingoma libe ku level because uMampintsha this time eshono besathi uyathepha kuleli gqom lase Cape Town Eastern Cape le abalibiza ngegospel gqom. So I think that song izolenda kakhulu because ikuleyo type la yo Mr Taylor leyo sound le. So I think uBabes lapho ke no direction right because mangisingilalela album ezinye ingoma sithe za confuse because khona ezinye ingoma like album like ngathi uBabes bazama ukuthi bemfaka kakhulu kuma vocals and uBabes like uyi-rapper yakwiGqom laphana. So understand ama-producers bemthathe bemfake lezi ngoma ezingathi zimenza ebe vocal because akanawo ama-vocals. So I think lena yona ngoma emshayinisayo even iverse lakhe nje nane creativity kaShimora because I think iDurban neKZN yalahlekelwa kakhulu laphana kuMampintsha. So I think le ngoma le izokhumbuza nje abathandi beGqom le feeling le uMampintsha ayi-add kakhulu kwi-industry because ever since kwahamba uMampintsha I think icontent ekhaya laphana kweGqom basekho no producer lapha oChip Masters nama Elevators, but content shoda because akasekho lo muntu okade leader lapha okade creative ehlanganisa izinto. So I think iJohn the Party izolenda kubantu abaningi especially abaseDurban because iGqom ila base khona. So Babes Odumo album yakhe no inengoma ezu10 as I said angifuna ukukhuluma ngaka kakhulu album yakhe but I think this song izoba hit song. So album ina hit song. So le iyo esikhuphula so Speaker Now Join the Party nje I think mina ngayi-rate nginikeze lakho athofa bo8 out of 10 because i-production ihlangene and ama-vocals neverse laShimora laphana I think lisezingeni eliphezulu kakhulu. So i-album ikhona ku-Spotify ikhona naku-Apple Music. So abantu bengamcheck uBabes ngibone naku-YouTube Music laphana iya-trend ama-numbers even though engakabi that big, but I think iya-move because umuntu okade wagcina ukuproper and I'm happy ukuthi nje ekhiphe i-project because abantu abaningi babethi no Babes akasophinde ekhiphe album without uMampintsha because ube-featured kuzona zonke ingoma uMampintsha. So without uMampintsha uBabes akasoze ekhiphe album, but I think uprove abantu abaningi wrong ukhona lana ke. Angiboni inkinga se-Afro kuma-features because there is i-issue akayiraise uBabes uthi uzama ukuthi enze lo mjidalo wase-Afro uCaptain but uzama ukumenza uMampintsha. So ufile ngathi bazama u-imitate uMampintsha laphana. So I think there is ikhona lo beef nyane ekhona between uBabes Odumo noTira. So angiyiboni inkinga se-Afro la, but I'm happy ukuthi ngibone la majida la ama-elevators because nawo asebenzana ne-Afrotainment and I'm just happy ukuthi uBabes ukwazi ukukhipha album eseyedwa eseyimele. So stay tuned to Speaker Now. Sekhona on Twitter @Speaker Now, Facebook Speaker Now, esikhona uTikTok Speaker Now. Away we out.